If you are someone who is looking for a job, whether you are a student, whether you are a working professional, then this video is perfectly for you. Watch till the end. We'll cover an amazing opportunity from Infosys where you can get a chance to work with them. Also, you'll be getting paid for it. Yes, it is a kind of job over here. You have to perform some of the roles. What are the roles? How to apply? What are the requirements? What are the pattern of the examination? All things we'll cover in this video. So stay tuned till the end. Make sure to like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video with your friends and family members who need this. So there currently three roles are open. That is system engineer, and that is second one is digital specialist engineering, and the third one is specialist programmer. Okay, so system engineer focus on application development, testing and maintenance, and the second one is related to cloud, data science, AI, ML. So you must participate in cloud platform, means the arcade program also. Some of you already know about cloud. It can be any cloud, Google Cloud, Azure, and even AWS also. So whatever you like and whatever they require, they'll guide you also. Okay, so if you are having that skill, you can apply for these particular roles over here, including the full stack development and DevOps. So these are the roles which they have provided. Now, how you have to apply over here? It's very simple. Okay, it's very simple process. But before that, let's see who can actually apply for it. So here you can see if you are having a minimum 60% or 60 GPA throughout class 10, 12th and graduation, you can apply for it. You're not having any active backlogs at the time of selection, you can apply for it. If you are having BE, BTech, ME, MTech, all streams, MCA, MSc, CSIT, mathematics or statistic, you can apply for it. Okay. Now here the rounds. How many rounds will be there in this particular hiring? There will be three rounds. One is online assessment, second is technical interview, and third one is HR interview. So online test will include some of the tests like you must have participated in any other examination. Also, you must have seen this type of thing. So here you can see reasoning ability, mathematical ability, verbal ability, and pseudo code, puzzle solving. All these things are there. So what is pseudo code? So you can see it's a step-by-step instruction. Okay, instruction like this, like you are writing a particular code, you are just adding the instruction and you are just explaining all the things. Okay. So here pseudocode focus heavily on C, C++ and data structure. Puzzle solving requires high logical and pattern recognition abilities. After that, there will be technical round. Okay, which will test your core subject knowledge like programming will include C++, Java, Python. Writing on screen or maybe on paper they'll ask you to write. And the fundamentals about SQL queries, DBMS, OS and networking and projects. Okay, that you have used for building on your final year, you can just share that also. After that, the final is that HR interview, that is the filtering stage. So mostly they ask why you want to join this particular company. Are you comfortable with relocation? Basically, you have to just prepare all the things, all hand. You can take help from the AIs, okay, to generate a sample. Do not blindly copy paste everything. Just take the help to just know what we can just formulate and try to practice yourself. First of all, you have to pass first and second round. Then only you'll be able to reach the HR round. Now here you can see the profile and uh, the packages are mentioned. Okay, annual CTC. So you can see the specialist programmer around 10 to 21 lakh per annum, and digital specialist engineering 6.25 to 9.5 lakh per annum. System engineering 3.6. Sorry, system engineer it is 3.6 lakh to 4.5 lakhs. So you have to simply apply. How to apply? It's very simple process. So first of all, just come over here. I'll share the directly the apply link over here. Okay. From there, what you have to do, you have to just open it like this. Okay. So you have to come over here directly and then you have to simply do one thing. First of all, okay. So it's asking for me to upload the resume. Let me just check once again. So you have to come to this particular website. You have to register yourself by clicking on register, enter all your details over here and just create your account. Okay. You have to simply create your account. Let me just show you a quick demo over here. So after you have entered all the details, you have to click on it and just click on privacy notice and just scroll down and then you have to submit it over here. So all the things you have to do. After that, you have to simply log in over here. Okay, so just log in with your credentials. You can just check your mail. It will ask you to click on the link to activate your profile. So after that, mostly you'll be redirected to the login page. You have to enter your details and simply log in over here. Okay, so you'll be redirected again to just agree some of the terms and conditions. So just check all the boxes one by one. Just apply and proceed over here. So we have accepted all the terms and conditions. Now what we have to do, from here you'll find the jobs. So you have to simply type the job name. For example, system engineer is there. You have to just paste it and just click on find jobs. So you'll find multiple opportunities are over here. Right. So it's asking for work experience, but we are a fresher. So how we'll be applying over here? Let me just tell you. So here multiple roles are there, but for freshers they are very less roles. Okay. So this is if you want to just join for other locations or for other skills, you can just check out this website. Now how to apply, I'll just show you a important video, means important guide how we have to do the submission for this particular hiring. So you have to just come over here. You can see what are the requirements for this particular hiring over here, your candidate names, email address, phone number, date of birth, all the things, your education details like 10th, 12th certificates, means all the mark sheets will be present. Basically, you have to enter all your details also and then just add the things over here. Now here there will be a background check, means the police officer will just show you, or maybe the team will internally do the background check that whether any criminal cases are under you or not. So here you have to just click on I agree and accept. Now here it's asking for first name, last name and details. So just enter the details one by one. Continue. After that, you have to just mention that male or female, your gender, your first name as per your class 10th mark sheet. Okay, then the last name and the primary email address. Then after that, you have to attach your color side recent passport size photo. Okay, you have to upload it. Maximum size should be within 512 KB. After that, you have to upload your resume that you have built. Okay, or it will contain all the things like whatever your achievements are there, whatever projects you have built, you can add. If you have participated in the arcade program, you can mention that also, and your percentage details over here. After that, your preferred contact number, you can mention your mobile number over here, date of birth, citizenship, Indian. Okay, if you are watching from India or participating as an Indian, you can mention over here. Now your address details, all the things, and after that you have to click on next page. So let me just enter all the details and then we'll move forward to the next page. So you have to simply click on upload image if you are unable to get, and just click on upload a image. You have to simply upload your photo over here. And after that you have to click on done. I'm just showing you a demo. I'm not submitting the form. I'm just showing you a demo how we have to do all the things. Now here you have to upload the resume in PDF format. Okay, not in image format. You have to make in PDF format. So the image is uploaded. Now let me enter the number. Okay, so it's done. Date of birth, let me add this, and citizenship, Indian. I'm just showing you a sample. Do you have a password or not? You have to select that. Then after that, you have to mention your street address. So just fill it. So you have to enter all the details over here. Your pin code, state will be auto fetched. If you enter the pin code, it will auto fetched. If it is asking, you can type also or select it from the drop down over here. Now click on next over here. So here, please provide a valid 2489. If I just try to add. Okay, now here we have to enter our degree details, means from class 10th. So your degree you have to mention school living certificate. Okay. So here you have to mention the school name, board mention that here multiple boards are there. So a lot of you, which board you are from watching, just comment down below whether you are from CBSC or different boards you can mention over here. You have to select from drop down only. So it's taking a lot of time. Central Board of Secondary Education, it's done. Specialization, you can just select PCM, PCMB. So from here you have to select your state. So just select the state and just the CGPA, passing year or month, all the things. Now 12 details, or whether you have completed diploma, you can mention that also. Now here you can just select whether it was a pre-university course or high school. Okay. So after that you have to mention the same thing, same details you have to enter again. So you have to select your university. I'm just selecting any university because I'm just creating a demo form. State will be, if you have studied from the same state, you have to mention that thing only. Now stream, just mention the stream. Like most of you have studied PCMB or others. If the list is not present over here, you have to simply click on others and then just specify over here. Okay. So after that, you have to mention your passing years. Okay. All one by one. Degree, institute name, university, state, and then areas of specialization. For your information, I'm just filling random data. I'm not adding accurate data so that you are able to understand the next step what we have to do. Okay. So you have to mention the passing year also. And then if you want to mention your post graduation, you can mention over here. It is completely optional. If it is showing optional, you don't have to fill that particular place. So do you have any active backlog? You can mention yes and mention the number of backlogs. If you don't have, just select no. Do you have any gaps in education? Now, what are gaps and what is backlog? Backlog means did you failed in any of the semester or any of the examination? You have to select that. And gaps means, for example, after 12th, a lot of people prepare for JEE or NEET or any other competitive examination. You may be due to some technical issues or your personal issues, so you are unable to attend any of the courses. In that case, you have to select yes, and here you have to mention the number of gaps. For example, you are having how many months gap in between the next course. For example, you completed 12 in 2021 and you completed BSc, means registered in BSc in 2024. So what was the reason for that particular months gap? So you have to just first of all enter the number of months gap and just mention the reason. Preparation for examination. Ignore the spelling mistakes. For particular exam, for example, NEET, JEE, or any other exam, whatever you like, you can mention over here. In case you have gaps, in case you are currently pursuing everything from start, no gaps are there, just select no and just click on next page over here. So okay, so let me just add, if any field will be missing, it will ask you to just go to that particular field and just fulfill that thing. Now here, have you undergone any if you have participated in previous Infosys hiring opportunities, then you can select yes and just mention all the details over here. Like for example, uh, you have taken any test, you have received any offer, you have to just select whether you have joined or not, or selected for an interview, you can select it. In case you are applying for the first time, just select no and just go to the next page. Now here, are you employed as a director of any company? No, because if you are already the director of a company, why you'll apply for this particular job? And if you are a partner, you may be a partner of any other company, so you can just type yes and just enter the company detail. Okay, or you can simply click on no. Now here, have you been convicted by court? So is there any legal case against you in the court of India? So if you have, you can select yes and mention the details. Mostly a lot of you won't be having these kind of cases, so simply click on no and just go to the next option. Now here it's asking you upload your college identity card photo or ID proof for verification. So here you have to upload your college ID card. Okay, in case you don't have a college ID card, you can request your dean or faculty members to produce it or make it, because I've seen a lot of college they don't have a ID card. Okay, mostly a lot of college have, but some colleges do not provide ID card also. In that case, you have to just contact them and just make your ID card, and then you have to upload as a proof of documentation. So once you have uploaded, this is a sample document. I am saying you have to upload the same document which they have listed. You have to upload your college ID card. Now simply click on next. I agree and just enter the place, for example, where you have written, enter your full name and then You have to just click on I am not a robot, and after that you have to click on submit. I'm not submitting because it is a official form and I don't want to spoil any seat over here by filling any random data. You have to simply click on submit over here and your response will be submitted over there. After that, they'll be calling you, contacting you for the next process if your resume is shortlisted. So these are the important updates regarding the programs. If you want to participate in other events, win some cool goodies, you can just check out the channel. We have covered multiple events out here, which will not only help you to grow but also excel in life. So thank you guys. Have a great day ahead. Do like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video with everyone.